Hey everyone! Really quickly, I'm going to show you how to reset your clicker garage door opener keypad. It's a super simple process. Takes less than a minute. Step 1. Reset the keypad. Here's the keypad. First, hold down the star and hash keys together. Keep holding until the blinking light stops. That clears out the old code. Now, enter your new 4-digit code and then press the hash key to save it. Next, we'll set the opener type. Press the button for your garage door opener type. In this case, we're going to hit 2, then press hash button again. The light will go off. That means your new code has been programmed in. Step 3. Sync with garage door motor. Now move up to your garage door motor unit. You'll see a red Learn button. Press it once. You'll see an orange light come on. That means it's ready to pair. Step 4. Link the keypad. Go back to your keypad. Enter the new code you just programmed, then press 0. The light on the motor will flash. That confirms it accepted your code. Press 0 again and your garage door will close. To open it again, just enter your code and press 0. Your door will open right up. The key to this whole process is knowing your garage door type code, that number you entered earlier between 1 and 9. If you're not sure which one your opener uses, check your manual. If you don't have it, no worries, you can just experiment. Try each number from 1 through 9, and one of them will sync perfectly. And that's it. Good luck, and enjoy your freshly working garage door.